Welcome back, guys. Glad you guys are here. Today I'm working on an 8 by 20 inch canvas. I'm using acrylic soft body white mixed in with a little bit of Floetrol, probably like a squirt. I'm still working. I'm having a blast with these iridescent paints and all these cool different reactions and effects that you get with them. And today I wanted to try a swipe. And guys, I'm telling you, at the end of this video, you will be surprised as I am. So here I'm getting ready to do the swipe. And what I have to tell you guys, and I'm so sorry, is I paused the video as I often do when I do close-up work like this. And sometimes I'm very bad at going back. And then when I go to change my view is when I notice. And that's what happened here. So after this swipe, which is completely unassuming, you don't see anything happening, nothing special's going on, just some pretty colors, some nice curves, and beautiful design, and that's it. But what starts to happen later is amazing, at least to me. So here I'm just trying to make these really nice slopey kind of curvy lines, and I want that white negative space in between. My goal and hope was to get this really cool design that would have amazing effects with a lot of white negative space and lots of pops of color. And as you guys can see here, one of the things I've noticed is from torching, you get these really cool little round like cells, and all the colors that don't come up start to come up in it. And then once you start to stretch it out, gorgeous effects happen. Oh my gosh, guys, do you see it? That is my favorite section. It is like 10 times more vibrant than what you guys can see. And those white movements, we'll get back to it again, that are around the blue, the red blue iridescent is amazing. And again, all of those little specks that pop up, like in my galaxy pour, which I'll link for you guys, and in the deconstructed bloom, but those right there are just beautiful, how they just border the colors. Those are effects I haven't seen before. And when I do get pearl-like cells in these, like I did in the deconstructed bloom, the shape of them is that really cool small clusters that I love. And I just really love the effects and the depth and the beauty that these paints create. I can't wait to try other colors. So anyways, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for joining me today. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate it. It helps the channel grow. And I just want to say you guys are fantastic. I've been loving chatting to you guys in the comments. You make me laugh. You make me smile. I really do love you guys. And I'll see you in the next pour.